Okay, so customizing the project roles for now. It's part, um, it's like the command line ito the status bar profile. So not so much critical. Okay. Please, again, join the physical class. Okay. One. Okay, so connect. I will, while we are here, it's something like I will let's try I will try my best to fix this. His software is now okay, only for user, huh? How's the installation? For user, connect later. Don't connect it now. Great. Don't connect now, sir. Okay. What else? I was talking about this view scale. So view scale, actually, when you modify this one, click this. Okay, let's say try 1 to 50. Okay, so the annotation will change now. But for now, hi sir, you cannot actually, we're going to arrange this scale when we put our work on a paper. Let's say, for example, here, this is actually, I'm going to tell you this one in later, no? But actually this one affects the scale, no? So here, so that's how the scale affects, no? Yes, for printing and putting all the, when you put your drawing on a paper.
Yeah.
Okay, in AutoCAD, okay, so probably you know it also, no? The viewport. So it's the same concept, no? But this one later. Let's try to model something first. Okay. Okay, let me just go back to one entry level. Okay, so the detail level, okay, so the detail level actually it's like something like this. There are three types of detail level: the coarse, the medium, and the fine. So it's something like when the detail level is coarse, see the symbol of your door. For the medium, like that, okay. And when it comes to fine, no, all the details are fine, no. So even the hinges will be shown, something like that, no? But okay, so no need to do anything. Just let me show you this one. I'm going to open also another sample files in an MEP files. So look at this, no? So I have here some, okay, so let me just, yeah, see. Okay, so let's talk about this one, no? But also detail level also, I'm talking about only the detail level. When the detail level is coarse, so see, the dots are not shown, the pipes are not shown. Detail level medium, let's see. Some dots are now showing, okay, and when you say fine, so it means to say that this detail level is not only for architecture, it's for all, no? So that's how it shows. Now, sun and shadow is for rendering. We don't need that so much. Okay, so here, what's next actually? The next is the visual style. Let's click here. Let's click this house, small house. It opens the default 3D view, orthographic 3D view. See, this one. Okay. So, okay. So because this will make our computer slower, no? So, okay. Can you select this land first? Can you select this? Are you here as well? Okay. Select this topography. Select this topography. And select this one. Click this, go here. Click this one and go to this bulb symbol. Hide elements. Okay. Now, let's start here. Okay, so let's open this visual style. By the way, no, to orbit the drawing, press the shift key, press and hold the shift key, and press and hold the scroll and left or right, up or down. Got it? Okay. Now, just a little bit closer. I'm going to check. Let's try this one. Wireframe. Okay. So this one, you don't need to save it for now. Wireframe is like all the elements are made up of lines, and it's the file is lesser, no? Next one, hidden line. Also a line, also still lines, but you cannot see what's beyond. Hidden lines. Shaded. So it's like shaded, no? Okay. Consistent colors. Like that. And when you need to see the real material, realistic. Realistic. And of course, it's heavier. See even the plants. Yeah. Let's zoom in somewhere here. See. Wood material, carpet. What do you call this one? Leather thing, leather cover. And it's also heavier now. So let's just stay in shaded for now. See, it's easy to move when you're using shaded. Any updates here? No. Still running, huh? Okay. Okay. Now, anything you want to show me? Anything you want to show me? Or no? You need to show me something? No, it's okay. Okay, here, let's talk about this, no? This eyeglass symbol.